The topic, as it says, mainstream us, don't marginalize us. I think there's quite a few things that the panel here, illustrious panel here, is about to say. But I'd like to, before we begin, give a little bit more to the topic. The world practically is obsessed with innovation, is practically obsessed with words like growth, right? And inclusion as the buzzing word these days. And there's a lot of legal structure that has been put in place in India, specifically after the Rights of Persons with Disability Act came into play. In morning, Anant actually took us through what the act entails in terms of providing opportunity, rights to employment, accessibility, regional accommodation. All of that sort of has been touched upon. What I want to understand from both of you here is how do you see, like, what is the significant barriers? And I would like both of you to give us a little flavor from your personal experiences as well. That what are the significant barriers that you feel prevents people from disabilities to be actually integrated into the society as a whole? And what I see, I can share is the barriers are not just from an opportunity perspective or from an economic perspective. There's a lot of psychological barriers, than not just accessibility in terms of physical or digital. What do you both of you have to say about it?
Thank you, Rashi, and thank you, Ratna. So the other day when I got a call from Ayushi, she said, would you like to be on this platform and talk about the disability? I said, I am one of those people who make the most of the platform. So if I am here, I would request you, please मुझे थोड़ा सुन लीजिए. ऐसा मौका बार बार नहीं मिलता. आप थोड़ी रील्स बाद में देख लीजिए, फोटो बाद में क्लिक कीजिए, लेकिन थोड़ा मुझे सुन लीजिए. ये मौका मुझे बहुत कम मिलता है. So yeah, first of all, I am Disha Pandya, and I am a founder of India's first community for people with dwarfism, that is Little People of India. I will tell you why I founded this community, but much before that, I want to tell you, Rashi, as you spoke about the misconception and inclusion, you know, the biggest misconception of dwarfism is that people think that they are intellectually disabled. They feel that physically they are not fit. They feel that they have poor health. But, you know, I am here to challenge you on, get me one misconception about dwarfism and I'll disappoint you. So I'll tell you a few stories about myself and my friends. As I said, and as it was mentioned, that I am a national para-athlete. A couple of years back, when I was 34 years at the age, I was introduced to sports with one of my friends, and when he said that, would you like to play sports? So I come from a school and a college where people did not even wanted to run with me because they thought कि ये क्या दौड़ेगी, हम लोग कहाँ पहुँच जाएंगे, ये तो शायद उतना चल भी नहीं पाए. So when I said that this is an opportunity and I want to make the most, I kind of I practiced for a year and a half and all, and then after a rigorous practice and lot of dedication, I got my first gold medal as a national para-athlete, and I am India's first national para-athlete to promote dwarfism there. So that was not enough, you know. There I realized कि platform बहुत छोटा है, because मेरे जैसे इंडिया में काफ़ी है, but when I say काफ़ी, it is 25,000 में एक. आप में से कहीं लोगों ने मेरे जैसे लोगों को देखा होगा कभी टीवी पे, शायद आपके फ्रेंड्स होंगे, but I'm sure you've never tried to understand what is it that they are going through. You know, the first and foremost thing that we are going through is the perception, the judgment that people pass upon us, and they feel कि ये नहीं कर पाएंगे. Couple of years back, I was being told that तुम्हारी शादी नहीं हो पाएगी क्योंकि इतनी छोटी लड़की के साथ शादी कौन करेगा. I said, ठीक है, this is a misconception, and I again take the challenge. When my father passed away, the only dream he ever had is that my daughter should get married, and I took that little seriously. I got married from a matrimony side, and then people said, another misconception, how will you ever start a family? Today, I am a mother of India's first twin dwarf. When I conceived naturally, a doctor told me, my ultrasound report guy said that, do you think that if you ever produce a disabled child, there will be a challenge? I said, there is a challenge that you already have. You know, disabled child ko paida karna is not a challenge, because I think we all are living in a world where there are multiple challenges that are invisible. Mine is clearly visible. I know what I'm going to go through. Yeah, if there is an organ failure, if there is an organ disaster, that's the challenge. But somebody who's a short stature is not a challenge. And these misconceptions are not just in my childhood, but even when I was seeking a job, people thought that I could not be a part of their ecosystem. उनका infrastructure हमारे लिए सही नहीं होगा. But I am right now working with, so I worked with India's best brands like Bisleri, HDFC Bank, Cello Pens. Today I'm working with Rich India Productions, and I am a creative lead there. So I don't think there is anything that a disability cannot and a able can. It's just a misconception, it's just a judgment that everybody is drawing based on their illusion. So I think that's the thing that we are dealing every day.
Thanks so much, Disha, and thanks for continuing to break barriers in the minds of people, and not like how Shweta mentioned of the continuous obstacle road that you have to travel.